Seems like I shouldn't, but all right. So here's our scale, and I'm going to go ahead and take my pencil tool. I'm going to use my pencil tool for the vine, and I'm going to make my vine a color green. I'm going to make it nice and beefy. Let's just look here. Okay, so that's my vine. So now the idea is that we're going to make a vine go around this object is the idea. So I'm going to draw it and give it enough overlap so it's kind of going around. Okay. And so I can then also play with the scale and get my vine feeling nice and viney. And I'm going to start it off here so it looks like it's, going right to the edge. And so now I want it to feel like there's times when it's going in front of the pole and behind the pole. And the way we're going to do that is a tool called Intertwine. So I'm going to select both pieces, the background blue bar and the green vine. And I'm going to go to Object and go to Intertwine, Make. And so I'm going to decide which part of the vine will go in front. So I'm going to start in front, and then right here, it's going to go behind. And then here, it's going to be in front, and then here, it's going to go behind.
Nice.
Here, it's going to be in front, and then I'm going to select it here, and it's going to go behind. Okay.
Okay. That
And
looks easy enough.
right? Pretty easy, right?
I looked at a
So
YouTube video, but it was from like 10 years ago, and that was the only one I could find, and it was a lot more complicated than that.
that's right, because this is a new tool. This actually just came out about a year ago in October. So this is a
Thank
brand
God.
new tool. And look how fun it is, right?
Yeah.
So that's how this works. Um, and you can move it all around together and it's very easy. So the main thing is just making sure that when you're drawing your line, the one thing that I noticed when you did your line in look at how your vine didn't go out off the
Yeah, I was
outside
way too,
edge. So
yeah.
you were on top of the whole thing in front. So you've got to make sure to make this look real that you're going off the edge on either when it loops around. You can get tight like I've done down here, but it has to go all the way off. It doesn't have to be quite as loose as I did up here, but you know what I mean?
Hmm.
Okay, so that's how intertwine works. And I think that'll work really nicely for your design.
Thank
And then the
you.
other thing you can think about is when I'm looking at your design, is thinking about well, actually, I'm going to end this little tutorial and then we can kind of keep talking specifics.